Hello guys, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be talking about the part 2 of the direct methods to solve set of simultaneous linear equations, right? In this class, we'll be looking at a very good method called factorization method, or which is also called as what? Triangularization method. And there are two scientist names which are generally used. One is Doolittle's and the other is Crowds, right? By default, if he asked you to do factorization or triangularization, we'll apply Doolittle's methods. I'll tell you the difference between them, right? So today's topic is basically factorization method or triangulation method, or it is also called as LU decomposition method, right? So why is this method used, sir? This method is used to solve the set of simultaneous linear equation, and it's a direct method. And we know that the set of simultaneous direct equation can be written as Ax is equal to B. However, last system is, we can express the system in the form of the matrix A into X is equal to B, where A is the coefficient matrix, X is the unknown matrix, and B is the constant matrix, right? In this method, what we'll do is basically the square matrix n cross n, the square matrix n cross n can be factorized into two matrices called L matrix and U matrix, right? If we are using Doolittle's method, if you are using, then the L will be what? The L will be unit lower triangular matrix. And what will be U, sir? U will be a simple upper triangular matrix. Whereas if he has mentioned to use Crowd's method, in Crowd's method, if he is mentioning Crowd's method, then the upper matrix will become unit upper triangular matrix, and whereas the L will become simple lower triangular matrix. He simply said factorization method. That means Doolittle's method is default. If nothing is specified, then obviously we'll have to apply what? Doolittle's method. Sir, what is this unit lower triangular matrix, unit upper triangular matrix? What is this upper triangular matrix? What is this decomposition? Let us try to understand. That's why the other name of this is what, sir? The other name of this particular method is called LU decomposition method. Whatever is the square matrix given to you, that can be composed into two matrices, that is a lower triangular matrix and an upper triangular matrix, right? So let us take a system and try to understand from that. Say if I take a system like this, say if I take a system like A11 x1 plus A12 x2 plus A13 x3 equal to B1 and all of this. So from here, what will the A matrix become, sir? So this can be written as basically A11, A12, A13. I have written this in the next coming slides, but let me write it for you. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is your constant matrix A. This is your constant matrix A. And what is your unknown matrix, sir? Your unknown matrix is like this. Here it is x1, x2, x3. And it is equal to what, sir? It is equal to your constant matrix B1, B2 and B3. Right? This is basically your Ax is equal to B system. Always this will be an n cross n matrix. Here it's a 3 cross 3 matrix. Now, this particular A matrix is decomposed into LU matrices, right? As I told you, if it is simply he told decomposition method, by default what we'll use, sir? By default we will use Doolittle's method. In default Doolittle's method, unit lower triangular matrix. See, sir, what I have written? In Doolittle's method, L is unit lower triangular matrix. That means here you'll have 1, 1, 1. And this is L21, L31, L32. And what will become U? The U will become U11, U12, U23, 0, U22, U23, 0, 0, U33. Right? So this will be your L matrix, this will be your U matrix. And if it is if he is telling that use Crowd's method, in Crowd's method, U is unit upper triangular matrix. That means here the principal diagonal elements of L will become 1, 1, 1. And here this will be L11, L22, L33, L21, L31, L32, 0, 0, 0. Lower triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix, but unit upper triangular matrix. Here, unit lower triangular matrix. So by default, we'll be using this method. Now let us see how to decompose a given matrix into L matrix and U matrix. A will be given to you because in the question he will give you the system of equations. So A is given to you, you have to find 9 unknowns. What are the 9 unknowns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So let us see how to do that, sir. So I can write this LU, this is your L, this is your U is equal to A. Now see sir, we know that this is L matrix, U matrix and this is A matrix. Just multiply and equate everyone, sir. See, I have multiplied and showed it here. See, it is like this. If you do this into this, what will you get, sir? U11. That should be equal to A11. See, U11 is equal to A11. Similarly, this into this, you will get to, sir, 1 into U12, 0, 0. That should be equal to A12. See, U12 is equal to A12. Similarly, this into this. So this 0, 0 will cancel away. You will get U13 into 1 is equal to A13. So U13 into 1 is equal to A13. So 3 you got your first row elements here. So this is known, this is known, this is known. Now see sir, how will we find the next elements? Next element also simple. This into this. Now we know this. When you do this into this and equate to this, see this is what you will get. L21 U11. This is minus L21 U11. No, L21 U11 is equal to A12. Yeah. So L21 is equal to, so this into this is equal to A12. So L21 is equal to A12 by U11. Similarly, this into this, that is L21 U12 plus 1 into U22 is equal to the second element here. You have to equate A22 you will get. So from here you get your, you know what is L21, just now we have found. You know what is U12 from here, and you will find U22 is equal to A22 minus L21 U12. Similarly from this and this, what you will do, sir? L31, this into this. You know, this into this should be equal to actually, when you do this into this, that should be L21 U13 U23 is equal to this last element A23. So from here you will get U23 is equal to A23 minus A23 we know, L21 we just now found out L21, U13 we know from here U13. So you will get your U23 from here. Similarly, last row also you multiply this into this. So what you will get? You will get L31 is equal to A31 by U11. This into this, you will get your L32. This into this, you will get your U33. Right? So I have just multiplied everything and shown you, sir. So first step is what? First step is decomposition of the A matrix into lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. By default, it will be a unit lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. Unit triangular matrix means here 1, 1, 1 will be there. These 3 unknowns, these 6 unknowns. If it is Crowd's method, then unit upper triangular matrix. Unit upper triangular matrix means this 1, 1, 1, these 3 unknown, these 6 unknowns. In Crowd's method also same thing we have to do. Just you put L11, L12, L13 here. 1, 1, 1 you will get, and equate it, same 9 unknowns, 9 equations you will get, and you will get the unknowns. Right? Okay sir, we have decomposed it. Next, what is the plan? Next, see sir, what we'll try to do. Next, we'll do it like this. We know that Ax equal to B is a system, isn't it? We know that Ax is equal to B is a system. See sir, we know that Ax equal to B is a system. If Ax is equal to B system, in place of A, I'll write Lu, right? In place of A, I will write Lu, and I will call something Ux as B. What is U, sir? Your U is, basically we'll write Ux is equal to V, sir. So we know U matrix. What is the U matrix, sir? U11, 0, 0, U21, U22, 0, U31, U32, U33 into, what is the X matrix? That is X1, X2, X3 is equal to, what is the Y matrix? We are saying Y matrix is, say, like this, Y12, Y3, like this. So this is your U X is equal to Y. This Y matrix I have introduced new matrix, right? If you put this Ux is equal to Y, what will this one become, sir? in place of ux I'll write y, so it will become lx equal to b. So what is lx equal to b? So L matrix is like this: 1 0 0, L21 1 0, L31 L32 1. This is your L matrix, and after L matrix you have Y matrix. What is your Y matrix, sir? That is Y1 Y2 Y3 is equal to what is B matrix? Your B matrix is B1 B2 B3. Now see, sir, do we know B1 B2 B3? Yes, sir. Do we know Y1 Y2 Y3? No, sir, we don't know. But do we know L21 L31 L32? Definitely we know, right? Now if you do multiplication here, if you do multiplication this into this, what will get? You will get Y1 is equal to B1. This into this, you will get L21 Y1 Y2 is equal to B2, right? Now I know what is L21. I just found Y1 from here, so from here I can get Y2. Similarly, from this into this, you already know what is Y2, you already know what is Y1, you know L31, L32, you will get Y3 from here. So that's what I have written, and can be solved for Y2, Y1, Y2, Y3. Once Y1, Y2, Y3 is obtained, now you know this Y1, Y2, Y3, right? And you know this U1, 1, U2, 2, U2, 1, U3, 1, U3, 2, all these things we know. So we will do forward substitution now. Forward substitution, and we'll do this. This into this if we do, what we'll get, sir? We'll get basically what? It's an upper triangular matrix, right? Just a second. It's an upper triangular matrix, sir. Give me 1 second. So this is basically, this should be U11, this should be U12, this should be U13, this is 0, this is U22, this is U23, this is 0, this is 0, this is U33, right? Now see, this is perfectly matching. So this into this, if you do, what will get? You will get U33 x3 is equal to y3. Now you know what is U33, you know what is y3, so you will get x3 from here. Once you got x3, then this into this you will do. So what will you get, sir? U2 to x2, U23 x3 is equal to y2. Now you know what is x3, you know what is U22, you know what is U23, you know what is y2, which we got just now. So from here what you get? You get your x2. Similarly from first one, this into this if you do, you know x2, x3, u11, u12, u13 and y1. So you will get your x1 from here, right? So this is the way you will have to understand. Generally the question can be asked on this. He will ask you how to decompose your A matrix into either L matrix or U matrix, or he might also ask you to solve. If he is asking you to solve, then you can use any method. But if in exam, if you want to post a question, he will definitely post on composition only, right? Very good, sir. So these are the methods in which we can find the solution as well as decomposition. So let us do some questions on this. I have taken up some 1 or 2 previous year questions as well as some textbook question also I have taken up, sir. So this is a question, he is asking you to solve the equations by factorization method. So see, sir, how we'll do? You'll have to form your Ax equal to B system. If I have to form my Ax equal to B system, that will become 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2. This is your A matrix, and this is your X, Y, Z is equal to, see here, what is a B matrix? 9, 6, 8. What is the first step you have to do, sir? The first step is decomposition. A is equal to LU matrix, or you can write LU matrix is equal to A, right? So let us find what is the decomposition. So it will be like this, sir. This will be 1, 0, 0. This would be L21, 1, 0, L31, L32, 1. This is your unit lower triangular matrix, because by default what will take, sir? By default will take Doolittle's. If it is Doolittle's, then unit lower triangular matrix. Then what is the upper triangular matrix? The upper triangular matrix will be like this: U11, U12, U13. This should be 0, 0, U22, U23. This should be 0. This should be U33, bracket close. This is LU and this should be equal to what, sir? This LU has to be equal to what? This has to be equal to your A matrix. So what is the A matrix, sir? Your A matrix is like 2, 3, 1, this matrix, sir. 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2. So this is what basically, this is your LU is equal to A. This is LU is equal to A. Now see, sir, now let us try to do what? Let us try to multiply and get all the elements. So this first element U11 will be equal to 2. U12 will be equal to 3. U13 will be equal to 1. See, this into this, this into this, this into this, equate it. Let us look at the next elements. This into this will become what, sir? L21 U11. L21 U11 equal to 1. L21 U11 is equal to 1, which implies what will be your L21? That is 1 by 2. Very good. Similarly, this into this. That is basically what, sir? That is basically L21 U12 plus U22 is equal to 2. So from here, what can I write? From here, I can write U22 because I know what is L21, I know what is L12. So this is 1 by 2, 3 by 2. So 2 minus 3 by 2. That will become 2 minus 3 by 2. So that will become 1 by 2, sir. This is U22. Similarly, if I look at the last one, this into this. So that would become what, sir? That would become L12 into U13. L12 into U13 plus this into this, U23. U23 is equal to, you have to equate it to what, fellow, sir? This you are equating to 1, this you are equating to 2, this you are equating to 3, right? So if you equate it to 3, see what will you get here? You know L12, yes sir. You know U13, yes sir. Do you know U23? No. U23 is equal to 3 minus, what is L12? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So this will become what, sir? 5 by 2. Very good. Next, let us do the other row. That is the last one. If you do this into this, if you do, you will get it as L31. L31 into U11 is equal to 3. So from here, your L31 will be equal to what? 3 by 2. Next, this into this, if you do L31 U12, L31 U12, this into this, that is L32 U22 plus L32 U22 plus this is 1 into 0, this is 1 into 0, so that will become 0. So 0 should be equal to what? This should be equal to 1. Do you know L31? Yes sir, 3 by 2. Do you know U12? Yes sir, that is 3. Do you know L32? No sir, you don't know L32. See, there is no L32, so this will become L32. And do you know U22? Yes sir, we just know U22 is 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So from here, see sir, what will your L32 become? Your L32 will become basically, that is 2 minus 9. Minus 7 it will become, sir. It will become what? It will become minus 7. This is 1, right? Yes. So that will be basically 2 minus 9 minus 7, right? Next, the last element, sir. Just let me move this fellow here. And these guys a bit here. Right. Now let us see the next one. This will be CVAR. this into this, if you do, that would be equal to L31 into U13 plus L32 U32 L32 U23 plus 1 into U33 is equal to 2. So see sir, what will be your U33? Because you know what is L31, right? You know U13, you know L32, you know U23. You don't know U33 only. So that will become 2 minus, what is L31? 3 by 2 into 1. So minus 3 by 2. And what is L32? L32 is minus 7. This side I'll go plus 7. Into U23 is what? Where is U23 sir? U23 we might have found out somewhere here. It is 5 by 2. So plus 7 into 5 by. So see sir, what will this become? This will become 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 13 it will become sir. It will become what? 13 it will become. Right? So these are the elements which you have to found. So we have decomposed. The first step is done. The decomposition. Right? Let us do the next step. So let me want to write the decomposed matrix. This A can be written as LU, and what is your L matrix sir? Your L matrix is something like 1. Let me write this 1 0 0 1 0 1. What are these elements? L21 is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2, and L31. Where is L31 sir? 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. And what is L32? Minus 7. This is minus 7. What is your U matrix? Your U matrix is U11, 2, 3, 1. This is like this here. This is 2, 3, 1. Next. What is your U22? 1 by 2, 5 by 2. This is 1 by 2. This is 5 by 2. This is 0. This is 0, 0. And U33 is 13. U33 is 13. Right? So see sir, if we do this now, 13 or 18, just a second sir, minus 3 by 2, 7, 5 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 2, yes. This is 18 sir, just a second, this will become 18. How 18? See, this is basically 4 minus 3, 1, 35, 18. Right? So this would become 18 sir. Let us look at the next step. We have done LU is equal to A. So Lux equal to B. What will it become, sir? LUX is equal to B. And we will say UX is equal to Y, which implies LY is equal to B. Right? What is Y? Your Y11, Y22, that one, sir. So 1, 0, 0, 0.5, 1, 0, 1.5 minus 7, 1. This is basically here you have Y1, Y2, Y3 is equal to, what is your B sir? Your B is 968. 968. First we have to find your Y1, Y2, Y3. So see sir, from here if you find Y1, your Y1 will be equal to what? 9. Very good. What will be your Y2 equal to? See sir. This is 0.5 into Y1. So 9 by 2, 6 minus 9 by 2. That will be 6 minus 9 by 2. See sir, how much that will be? 3 by 2. Right? 12 minus 3 by 2. Very good. What will be your Y3 sir? See what will be your Y3? This into this. So that will become 8 minus, this is 3 by 2. Isn't it? 3 by 2 into 9 is how much sir? 27 by 2. 3 by 2 into 9 is 27 by 2. Right? Yes. And here what is there? Minus 7 is there. So it will become plus 7 into Y2 is what? 3 by 2. So this would be what? 16 minus 27 plus 21. So see what will this become? This should actually become like this sir. 21 if you add 7, 37. Right, 10 by 2, 5 sir. This will become 5. Right, very good. Next, see sir, what we'll do, once we find y1, y2, y3, our next task is like this. See sir, let me move this just aside here. Right. Now see sir, what we have to do, we have taken Ly is equal to b. Now we have to take ux equal to y. Now we have to take ux equal to y. What is u? This is the u matrix. 2, 3, 1, 0, 1 by 2, 5 by 2. This is 0, 0, 18. And what is your X matrix? Your X matrix is, because this is what I have to find, x1, x2, x3. And what is the Y matrix which you are getting? Which you just got, it is 9. And this is 3 by 2. And this is 5. So see sir, what will this become? For here you have to do it in reverse way, sir. From down you have to do that for a substitution. So what will be your x3 sir? This into this, if you do, because this into this you have to do, but let us do it from the bottom. So x3 will be equal to 5 by 18. x3 will be equal to 5 by 18 and half x2 plus 5 by 2 x3 is equal to 3 by 2, isn't it? So see sir, your x3, sorry, your x2 will be equal to, your x2 will be equal to, all 2's are gone, 3 minus 5 into what is x3? 5 by 18. So see sir, what will this become? This will basically become 29 by 18. Yes sir, this is becoming your 29 divided by 18. And from here x1, see sir, what will your x1 become? 2x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 is equal to 9. So if I want to find x1 from here, that is half times of 9 minus 3 times x2. That is 3 into 29 divided by 18 minus what is x3? 5 by 18. If I calculate this, see sir, what will I get? I'll get this equal to 35 by 18. I'll get this is equal to 35 divided by 18. This is how you find the solution, sir. This is the method to find the solution. First you have to do the decomposition. Then you have to do Ly is equal to b, then ux is equal to y, then you will get the answer. y1, y2, y3 you will get, x1, x2, x3 you will get. Right? So this is one of the direct methods to find your set of solution of linear equations. This was a textbook question, sir. Now let us see how the question can be asked in previous year. There is a question asked in the previous year. See what is he asking. He's telling that the matrix A is 2, 1, 4, minus 1 is decomposed into a product of lower triangular matrix L and an upper triangular matrix U. The properly decomposed LU matrices are. One thing is, if you know this concept, you know how to decompose. And nothing is specified, so you have to take default as your Doolittle's method, sir. That is lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. If you don't know that, if you don't know this method, you can just multiply this and equate it to A. Right? That is also another way. Since we know this method, so let us do it with the method only. So we know that LU is equal to X. Sorry, LU is equal to A. We know that LU is equal to A. What is L, sir? Your L is something like 1, 0. This is U2, 1, 1. And what is A, sir? Sorry, what is U? U11, U12, 0, U22. This is default. I am taking it as what? Default I am taking it as Doolittle's method, because that is your default method you should take. And this is 2, 1, 4, minus 1. So see sir, now let us try to do this. If you want to do this, very simple sir. What will be your U11? Because this into this, U11 is equal to 2. What will be your U12? u12 equal to 1. See, this into this, right? Next, this into this, that is L21 u11 is equal to 4. So what will be your L21? That is 4 by 2, that should be equal to 2, right? Similarly, this into this, that is L21 u12 plus u22 is equal to minus 1. So you know u22 from here, we can find u22 is equal to, you know this is 2, this is 1. So minus 3 it will become, isn't it? So see sir, what is your lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix he is asking. Let me just check this. What is L21? This is 2. This is, so 2, let's go at minus 2, 3. Yes sir, this is properly fine. So let me see sir, what will this become? Your lower triangular matrix L is equal to what? Your lower triangular matrix is equal to 1, 0. L21 is how much sir? 2, 1. What is your upper triangular matrix? U11 is how much? 2. U12 is 1. This is 0. This is minus 3. So see sir, which option is matching? So that should be 1, 1. Let me tell you which option is matching. 1, 0, 2, 1. 1, 0, 2, 1. There is no option matching. Just a second. So since no option is matching, see sir, what we'll do? This method is basically what? This is your Doolittle's method, sir. This is your Doolittle's method, right? So no option is matching from this. So let us take your Crowd's method, because as I told you, you have to take it as default. No sir, if you do get the answer with this, he will give only one answer. So if you are doing with Doolittle's, this L is right, this U is right, but none of the option is matching. So let us take Crowd's method. If you take using Crowd's, method, see sir, what will be your L? Your LB will be L11 0, L21 L2 2, and what will be U? That is 1, U21 0 1. This should be equal to what matrix? The A matrix, that is 2 1 4 1. 2 1 4 minus 1. So let us do this sir now. When you do this into this, you will get L11 is equal to what? 2. Right? When you do this into this, you will get L11 U21 is equal to 1. So what will you get? Your U21 is equal to 1 by 2. Very good. Next, this into this. This into this, you will get L21 is equal to 4. Next, this into this, that is L21 U21 plus L22 is equal to minus 1. So from here L22 is equal to what? Minus 1. What is your U21? Half. This is 4. So minus 2, isn't it? This is basically 1 by 2. U12, this is 4. So that will become 2. So minus 2 will become minus 3. So see sir, what will your A matrix be? Sorry, your L matrix will be something like this. 2, 0. What is your L21? 4. L22 is minus 3. And what is your U matrix? 1, 0, 1. What is U21? 1 by 2, 0, 1. Now let us check the options. Now if you check the options, 2, 0, 4 minus 3, 2, 0, 4 minus 3, 1.501. Option D is matching, right? So as I told you, default, don't take default as Doolittle's. The decomposition can be done in both ways. So if he specifically mentions anything, take that method. If it does not mention anything, so you might have to check both the methods, right? That's why this was asked for 2 marks in electrical. Or the easiest way is you check through the options. What if he gives you 2 options? If he doesn't give you 2 options, that is, he does not give you the Doolittle's and Crowd's at the same time, he will give you only one of that, right? So this is a method to do this particular problem, sir. Let me go to another problem which is given here. right? In this problem, see sir, what is say? He's telling that in the LU decomposition of the matrix, if the diagonal elements of U are both 1. See, in this question, he is perfectly telling that diagonal elements of U are both 1. So, this way if he is mentioning, then it is very good, sir. Then the lower diagonal entry of L22. So, this is L11, 1, 0, sorry, L21, L22. And here the diagonal elements of U are both 1. So, this is 1, this is U1, 2, this is 0, this is 1. If he is mentioning like this clearly, then it is well and good. What is the matrix? The matrix is 2, 2, 4, 9. Very good. So, let us see what will happen here. You will get L11 is equal to how much? You will get L11 is equal to 2, isn't it? This into this, L11 is equal to 2. This into this, what will happen, sir? That is L11 U12 is equal to 2, which implies what will be your U12? That should be equal to 1, because this is 2. This into this, what you will get, sir? You will get your L21 is equal to 4. This is what we need. And this into this, what will you get? L21 U12 plus L22 is equal to 9, which implies, see sir, what will be your L22 from here? This is 4, this is 1. So 5 it will become. L22 will be equal to 5. Right? So here the value of L22 is basically 5. What is the value of L22? 5. Very good. So these are the kind of questions that you can expect on decomposition. If he is specifically mentioning like this, then what is this, sir? This is basically your Crowd's method is asking. In this he did not mention, so you have to check both, and this is a general way of solving a given set of equations, right? So make sure you understand this method. This is a very interesting method, sir. I'll stop this class here, and in the next class we'll meet with a new topic. Thank you, sir. So that was the lecture, sir. I hope you enjoyed the lecture and gained some knowledge. For more content like this, please subscribe to our channel and also like and share it with your friends. And if you have any valuable feedback or doubts, you can always write down in the comments. And to watch my entire playlist and the full course, please enroll with us. Thank you, sir.